Hey, Dr. Wagner here with Patient Mastery, where we help amazing patient-centered chiropractors become the go-to doc in town with your best profits and collections ever, more time off, and loving practice. Recently, I saw the question in a Facebook group of, should we, as chiropractors, make introductory video for new patients? And there's two types of introductory video. There's a unique one for each new patient, and there is a general one. We're gonna be talking about the general one today. Quick answer is yes. Why? Because the general public knows chiropractors are going to be putting their hands on them. They want to feel safe, comfortable, and know who they're going in to see. And most chiropractors, crazily, don't even have their picture on their homepage. If it's on an about page, people aren't finding it. You don't have it on your homepage, or it's super out of date. And if people come in and you look 20 years different than what your picture looked like, there's another level of like, ooh, what isn't being told here? So when you do a video, here's another aspect that chiropractors get in their head about. It's got to be the perfect script. It's got to be a video production company. It's going to cost $2,500, all that, the lighting. No, with your phone nowadays, you can adjust the lighting. Your clinic lighting is surely good enough and the audio is good enough. What people want to see is just you showing you care, you have credibility, and you want what they want. What does that look like? You care? Why'd you get into chiropractic? Not the minute-and-a-half dialogue. What is it about helping people get back to their life that's meaningful to you? Maybe you had a great recovery. Why do you want to help them? What are the conditions you help with? Not what services you have, because if you name 4 or 6 different services, most people won't know 4 or 5 of them, and then it just goes right over their head. But if you're talking about, we see great results with headaches and neck pain and disc injuries and sciatica, all of that, oh, I have that. My husband has that. Okay, I'm in the right place. So you're showing them you care, you're letting them know you help with the conditions, some credibility, maybe how long you've been in the community, how many years you've been in practice, anything that shows credibility. So credibility, caring, what are the results you get? Keep it simple. Essentially, they just want to see you're nice, you're human, you care, and you've got proficiency. Now, if you want to expand that into, you can do a little tour of your office. Hey, that's nice, but ultimately, minute-and-a-half intro video that could be on your website, that could be put in a new member email before their first visit when you're telling them how to get there, what to expect on the first visit, all the logistics to make them feel safe and clear. You can embed that right into the email, put it on YouTube, put it on social, but make sure new patients are seeing it. Absolutely. Something smart to do, something easy to do, and something that will have new patients coming in already feeling connected and good about you. And then when you take that and you use the Patient Mastery proven process, whether it's what we show you to put on your website, how to answer that first call without sounding crazy, leadership statement, 6-question consult, 5-step recommendations, amazing exam, amazing fees to get referrals, retention, and out-of-pocket pay, that's where we can come in and help you. So if you want to duplicate that and install that into your practice, we will show you each step so you double your collections within the year, love being in practice, and have 3-day weekends. That's our commitment to chiropractors. If you want help, reach out. We're here for you.